Thank you, Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Iriquari this morning. And whilst I just realized on my feet that the questions I had prepared for were intended for a Minister for International Trade, but because he's not here, and I would rather not misplace these questions to the good Prime Minister, I reserve this privilege, Mr. Speaker, to ask a series of questions to the good Minister for Works instead. Whilst on the floor, I just received some messages from constituents concerning the state of the roads in Central Province, particularly in Iriquari. More particularly for these purposes, the 23-kilometre stretch of road between Laloki and Brown River is of great concern at this juncture. Yesterday there were heavy rain, or rather light downpours in the city and of course covering Iriquari. And the consequence of that rain, Mr. Acting Speaker, is that the great flooding between the stretch of road that's subject of this question. That road has been awarded is about 23 kilometers, and 149 million kina contract has been awarded to Hebo Construction, and the works has not commenced, although the contract has been executed and well published. I understand there has been some litigation. I understand also that the litigation has come to conclusion, but could the good Minister inform the people of Iriquari and the users of that important stretch of road between Laloki Bridge to Brown River, which connects Hiritano Highway into Kairuku District and into the Gulf Province, and is therefore of great economic importance to this city and the economics of Port Moresby. Would the good Minister therefore inform the people when this contract can be serviced and the work will commence? In the meantime, also, Mr. Speaker, if the Good Works Minister could also give an undertaking or inform the House if there could be some emergency works done along this stretch of road pending the main contracts being done, to be commenced. While I also have the privilege of your attention, Mr. Speaker, and the Minister responsible, series of questions relate to Sebore Bridge or culverts along the Magi Highway between at Jensen Farm, connecting the Magi Highway connecting Port Moresby and Magi Highway. In the not too distant future, Mr. Speaker, if this road is not attended to or appropriate bridge is not built, the Magi Highway will be cut and would be unconnected from Port Moresby and unlinked from Port Moresby. So the people of Magi Highway, the daily users, are concerned that every time there is a downpour, that bridge, that section of the road floods, not only floods, but it will cave in and collapse completely. So could the good Minister for Works also inform the people of Iriquari and particularly the users of the Magi Highway that the Sebore section of the road will be, a contract could be issued for a bridge to be built so that it is made safer for our users as a national road. Thank you, Acting Speaker.
The Honourable Minister for Works.
Thank you, through you, Acting Speaker. We, like Deputy Speaker and also Acting Speaker, me like to thank you, good questions raised by member for Iriquari. The road section between Laloki and Brown River, Laloki Bridge called Brown River, almost 23 kilometers, as you have said, has been awarded to Hebo. We're given commencement letter to commence, but then there was litigation. So we have gone to the court again, second time, and Hebo has won the court case already, and we're given commencement letter to commence very soon. So that road, we also paid mobilization already, and they are mobilizing to start the road from Laloki to Brown River. Your second point on emergency road while waiting for the main road. Yes, we have a contractor on the road who is also doing a maintenance contract on that road, waiting for the actual main contractor to start the sealing. From Laloki up to the top mountain is 4 lane, and from mountain top to Laloki is 2 lane seal. So we have almost 3 contractors. 2 contractors, Tekenai na Chanawi, along los Lehiritano na Lao Hebo. So once those roads are completed, that road is a national highway, and it is very important road. So we are onto it. On your third question on the bridge along the Magi Highway, is the bridge. We are also working on those roads. We have contractors on the road. We got 2 triple contractors that finish the road. Now we want to make sure that road is fixed before September 16. So Prime Minister can start from Alatau to Port Moresby, and from Port Moresby, he can drive all the way to Leh, and all the way to Hagen, and all the way to Tari, and down to Kikori. So these are plans that is underway. So we are working on it. Like also, time to lot of thank you underneath the maintenance program. We have 100 million funding for this year. So Sambla Hub Road where we play need emergency or roads, the kind of same or funding come in, we plus start maintaining so that the road is kept in good use. Thank you.
Honourable Member, I will recognize member for not fly, only supplementary. The question is raised by you, the Honourable Member for Hiri, so I will recognize the member for. What's your point of order?
There is no rules that preclude a supplementary to be raised by a person who asks a primary question. It's very linked to the same line of questions, just a one question only for the good minister while he has your attention also. It's concerning the Laloki to Goldie Barracks road as well. It's connected to the same question. And if the good minister could inform the people of Goldie Barracks when the Minister for Point of Order, Minister for Point of Order, yes, sorry.
We'll have the point of order from the Minister. Minister, what's your point of order?
Thank you, Mr. Acting Speaker. Firstly, I'd like the good member for Hiri Koyari to apologize, because when he throws such words, he's not directing it to me, but he's directing it to the people of Papua New Guinea, so he needs to apologize. Yeah. Secondly, is that he's asking a new question, so it should be treated as a new question, not a supplementary. Thank you.
Honourable members, I think Honourable Member for Hiri, as I've stated earlier from the chair on my ruling, that I have given you an opportunity to ask a question, and you did ask a question which the minister have responded. And maybe the question that you have just raised have slipped off your mind, that you haven't included into the list of questions that you have asked. And you have asked for a supplementary with other members, your colleague members, with you are also asking for supplementary. For that case, I'd like to give opportunity to all your members that are calling for supplementary. But since then you went already to ask the question, I will ask the minister to quickly respond to the question you have made, and then we have to move on to the question time. Honorable Minister, your point of order is in order. We will do the ruling in the next interruption of questions. I'll allow the Minister to respond to the supplementary made by the member for hearing.
Thank you, Speaker. The road from Laloke to Goli was under defense. Defense started some work already, but did not complete sealing the road. So I've asked my team to work on that to put some money so we can get a contract to seal that road from Laloke up to Goli. So we are also working on that, but that is within your electorate as well too. So counterpart funding would be also asked to be sourced. Thank you.